I had a ace up my sleeve and a competitive advantage when I was starting. And that was that I didn't know and study and obsess over entrepreneurship. I didn't follow the really rich people. I didn't read the biographies. I didn't think I needed to change the world or scale. I didn't know what scale was. I didn't know what a moat was. And I didn't know what venture capital was when I started my company. And I think I looking back, I think it was a blessing. Like I was lucky. I was lucky that I didn't obsess over the next giant big thing, because then I wouldn't have gotten excited about the small stuff. So my advice to all the people starting out is like, stop glorifying the really rich people. Stop glorifying the people who have defied all the odds and the gladiators in the arena who have built the massive companies, and just get excited about the little stuff. Start really small goals, go make a little bit of money. So I was running around as a 21-year-old getting excited about, sweating up and down spiral staircases to make $200. Like that was exciting to me. The business wasn't scalable. It was low barrier to entry. It was a tough logistical business, but I was excited to be in the game. I was excited to hire people. I was excited to get started. And if I didn't known where I was going to end up and that it was going to take 10 years to really like get some momentum and get it to where I was not working as much and having more leverage and making bigger decisions and having more fun and building bigger businesses, I would have given up, and I would have probably tried to go too big too fast, and I would have failed and got a job.